Good morning, everyone. It's day 4 of the house demo. Today I'm actually taking the day off. I haven't done that for a while. I'm going to Hot Springs with some friends, and it's a beautiful morning. Look at the 5 hot air balloons in the sky. It's gonna be a good day. So I'll take some footage at the hot springs if I can without damaging my phone. It's really cold. Look, I have on winter clothes because it's early in the morning. It's 7 a.m. It's kind of cold. Anyway, I just needed to take a little mini break. So today's my day to just chill out for a little while, let those guys do the work. My husband's gonna handle some things. Yes, I'm driving and talking on my cell phone, so I'm in the parking lot of my house, so I'm gonna pull over for a second. And I have a client of mine who's in town, Yvonne, hey Yvonne, who is going to join us, and one of my neighbors, Laura. So we were supposed to be a little bit of a bigger crew, but we're not. So this is good. I'm really hoping the water is kind of warm, or if not real warm. And we'll go from there. I'll catch up in a bit. Hey everyone, so we're at the La Gruta, and we're walking around trying to figure out where one pool is in particular that I really think is amazing. So we're totally getting a unsolicited tour of the space, but it's really beautiful. I can't believe I haven't been here. This is it. I hope that we're walking in the right direction now. You can see that a little bit. Apparently the one we're trying to get to is this way. This is much larger than I expected it to be. So there are several thermal pools. I think only 3 of them out of 5 are currently open, but I saw a bunch of steam coming up, and I was like, oh yes, that's what we're talking about, because it's cold out here. I'm only dreading getting out of the water. But let's see. Oh, I think we may have found it. I don't know if you can see that steam. So well worth it. It's 250 pesos to get in here. They're open early. Ooh, now I see it. Oh, nice. Beautiful. So there's some other folks here. But 250 pesos, that's about $12.50. I'm going to turn this around so you can see it. It's like a blue lagoon. And now it's time to say goodbye. Whew, so pretty. Hey everyone, so I just stepped out of the water for a few minutes. It is so amazing in there, but I'm a little bit chicken to bring my cell phone in. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the entrance. But there's like this whole area that gives off a lot of steam when it's earlier in the morning now. I don't know what time it is, but it's like 9:30 or 10 or something like that. But there's a whole tunnel that you go through. It's kind of dark, and then you go into this big room that is like all steamy. I don't know if you can see a little steam coming off of my body. It's so beautiful. I thought I was gonna be freezing cold and not wanting to get out, but it is amazing. So you totally have to check it out. Try to get some footage, or you can always go to I think it's lagruta.com or La Gruta San Miguel de Allende or something like that .com. I'll try to remember to post it in the description box. If not, you can search it on that, but you've got to check this place out. This is a great day off for me. Whew, taking a chance here with my cell phone.
I guess because it holds iron because the iron comes through.
No, it's just like a lot of people that I know always just like crunching constantly. It's like they just need it. Yeah.
Am I picking these?
Yes. So right over there is like a tunnel. You can walk through it. Look, it's really nice.
Yeah.
The sun's coming up a little. Let me go back out. Hi everyone, so I am back at my house. I actually have a consultation in 4 minutes. I just wanted to do a quick recap of this morning. So I have to just say that this whole experience today was oh so needed. It was amazing. I was really dreading the cold weather, cold water possibly, and no, it was none of those. It was amazing. I got up at 5:45. The La Gruta opens at 7. And, you know, I just didn't know what to expect. I literally went with, let me show you, my winter jacket, these ear muffs, all my black clothes that I wear almost every single day, my black combat boots, and my coat. And I brought like my bathrobe, which is big and fluffy, and of course swimsuit. And when we got there, we put all our stuff down, and the water was steamy. It was so inviting. All the things that I was dreading did not happen. It was just amazing. Seriously, highly, highly recommended. If you come to San Miguel, definitely take a trip over to La Gruta. It's about 15 minutes outside of town. You can get there by taxi, probably by Uber, and any of these other transportation options. It was 250 pesos, as I said earlier today, to get in, which is like $12.50. It was relaxing. It was everything. So only because I have this consultation, I would have stayed a little bit longer. But I was in there for a few hours, and it was just really the perfect time of day. It's nice if it's a little bit cold, because when you get there, you can appreciate that water a whole lot more. And after we finished hanging out in the thermal spa, because that's exactly what it was, we had lunch, also very reasonably priced. They have drinks, a bar, they have a snack place to buy snacks. It's really amazing. Now, I'm pretty sure it gets busy on the weekends and probably later on in the day, and definitely will be busy during the holiday, but 7 in the morning, seriously, so worth it. I just wanted to share that. I have not been over to Casa Elm today. I'll probably go over there later on just to see what's going on. My husband's over there right now checking on the plumbing, but I just had to share that today's kind of my day off. I'm supposed to bake cookies a little bit later with one of my friends. We're doing like a group of ladies baking Christmas cookies, and then we're gonna exchange, so we all have like cookies for the Christmas season next week. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. Cookies and wine. It's a good time. All right, I'll probably check back in later. We'll see. All right, y'all gonna get sick of me because I'm checking in about the bathroom every day. Yeah, I'm just rushing in to make sure everything's locked. I gotta lock the door behind the guys. So I haven't been here all day. This was obviously my day to chill, which hasn't been that chill. It's been chill, but I'm still super busy. No complaints. Ooh, dusty. Let's see how it looks. So I'm checking out the bathroom. Wow, okay. So they pretty much cleared up most of the debris, and this is what we're looking at right now. Gone are the ugly tiles. What they're doing in here is they have to kind of level this out. So there was tile, but this was behind the tile. I don't know if that was a different tile job. I'm not sure, but they had to take the tiles down, then they had to take this down and make it like a smoother surface. So this is what it looks like right now, and more to come. I will be back tomorrow. So tomorrow is Friday. That would make a whole week that these guys were here. And that's going to be a week that it took them to kind of demolish it all. So I'm kind of rushing. But in saying all of that, it looks good. I'm excited about it. Thank you guys for watching this journey with me. Don't forget to subscribe, all those fun, cool things. And I will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna come here, but tomorrow's going to be the day that I have to give my plans, or at least he and I are gonna have to talk about it. Sorry, I'm looking kind of crazy right now. It's just, I have to make sure all the doors are locked before I leave, because they should not have opened anything, but you never know. All right, ciao, ciao. Till next time.